A warm good morning to one and all. So, this is Divyashree welcoming you to the webinar Monitor the Infrastructure and Apps that Support Remote Work. So, the agenda for this session is as shown here. We begin the session with a quick introduction about Site 24/7. From there, we discuss about the current trends and challenges in remote work infrastructure, which involves managing the VDIs and VPNs, and moving on to check how to ensure a seamless network performance for your employees, why you need to monitor the collaboration tools, and how to optimize your cloud spending. In fact, the remote collaboration tool monitoring which we offer are Skype, Office 360, Zoom, GitHub. The pandemic has brought with it a fundamental rethink of where and how we work, thus bringing with it its own challenges. With work from home being the new normal, there's a rise in digital transformation and cloud computing technologies. As more applications shift to the cloud, there is a surge in the usage of VPN and VDI. Additionally, since the development teams are working remotely, tracking the cloud cost will be another challenge in itself. Let's check out a few statistics about the new normal that is working remotely. So this is a study published in the Gartner, which provides an overview about the workforce that will remain permanently remote post-COVID-19. It is evident from analysis like these that the new normal of working remote is here to stay. And this is exactly the reason we have this webinar to help you understand why it is crucial to monitor the remote work infrastructure. Working remotely brings along multiple challenges for the teams involved, which includes development teams having to access web servers, teams having to work on remote code repository, access to secure payroll servers, and accessibility to critical ERP systems. As you reshape the strategy for business continuity to combat these challenges, we provide you with an efficient remote IT monitoring toolkit. So let's check out the work from home essentials, VPN and VDI usage. So most of the organizations either leverage on a VPN or a VDI to access the remote code repositories. And while accessing them, the common challenges will be in its availability, performance, security risks, latency issues in VPNs, or even oversaturated VPNs. Well, fret not, because we at Site 24/7 offer a bundled solution to combat each of these challenges. So shall we check them out? VPN monitoring. So VPN monitoring is essential for an uninterrupted services that helps in boosting an employee's productivity. With VPN monitoring, we collect metrics like the amount of data transmitted through tunnels, the rate of transmission, active SSL sessions, and many more metrics. But how to approach VPN monitoring? Firstly, we need to monitor the availability of the VPN. A basic Internet Control Message Protocol or ICMP ping check will help you in ensuring that your VPNs are available. To analyze the VPN health and performance, a monitoring tool with support for VPN device is required. Preferably, the monitoring tool must also support SNMP or Simple Network Management Protocol for complete monitoring. It is crucial to be informed when a VPN tunnel flaps, and SNMP traps are the best solution. So the device sends instant trap messages to Site 24/7 while we process and send alarms to users. Additionally, Site 24/7 provides you with custom reports on a daily, weekly, or a monthly basis to analyze the VPN usage and monitor different metrics like peak hours for traffic and average traffic. So if your infrastructure is hosted in the public clouds like AWS or Azure, we have you covered with AWS VPN VPC gateway monitoring and Azure VPN gateway monitoring. So here is a list of different vendors for which we provide out-of-the-box support. They include Palo Alto Networks, Cisco, Zyxel, Barracuda, TopSec, NetScreen Technologies, Checkpoint, Fortinet, Juniper Networks, and Huawei. For those vendors that are not available in this list, well, fret not. Site 24/7 enables network admins to add firewalls and other VPN device from any vendor with SNMP support. So with this, any attribute can be monitored using custom performance counters by specifying the object identifiers. Site 24/7, since it is a cloud-based solution, also has a built-in management information-based browser, MIB browser, that is set up in the cloud and within our client that can be directly import the OIDs, including the tabular OIDs. So this helps in monitoring each attribute and customize your monitoring needs. Let's take a look at the Site 24/7 client to understand better. So this is the Site 24/7 client. You need to navigate to the network icon here, filter by vendor. So this gives you a list of multiple vendors for whom we provide out-of-the-box support. So for demonstration, let's take a look at the FortiGate monitor. On the click of this monitor, you can view the default metrics associated with this device. So we are currently in the Device Performance tab. We also have interfaces, which has the in-traffic, out-traffic, and the transmission and the reception utilized, as well as a status for each of the interface name. We have the other tabs available are traps, performance counters, tabular performance counters, outages, inventory, as well as a log report. So let's check out the device performance. So as you scroll down, you can see the response time as well as the packet loss. So response time chart provides the time taken by this particular device to respond back to the ping checks. The default polling frequency for all the device is 5 minutes, meaning every 5 minutes, the availability of the device is checked using pings. So since there is no packet loss that has occurred in this device, this chart remains blank. Let's check out the next tab, that is the performance counters. So what is a performance counter? Performance counters enables the collection of custom metrics besides the default metrics that we provide for a device. So let's take a look at the active sessions in this device. I'm changing the duration to the last 12 hours. So we now have the attribute report with the number of active sessions that had occurred in the last 12 hours, along with the maximum number as well as the minimum number. So in order to share this data with customers, we have this share this option in the top right corner. On clicking that, you can either email it, export it as a CSV, or export it as a PDF. So in this way, you have a plethora of custom metrics as well as granular data for each of the network device. So the custom metrics which we obtained for each device can all be viewed in a single dashboard. Yes, you heard it right. The Site 24/7 custom dashboard gives you all the key metrics related to your VPN usage in one single view. So you simply need to drag and drop the metrics that you wish to view to this custom dashboard and start monitoring them in a unified manner. So another pressing challenge in the work from home infrastructure is about how to monitor the latency of the VPN that has no SNMP support. Well, opting for an agent-based VPN monitoring is the easiest solution. All you need to do is integrate with the Site 24/7 VPN plugin and install the Linux or Windows monitoring agent in the VPN network. And hey, did you know that in addition to this VPN plugin, we have more than 250 plugins that you may want to check out later. So coming back to the VPN plugins, this is a boon for all the sysadmins out there. If you divide the geographical area of the VPN usage, like central, north, and south regions, then you can view the exact latency and the packet loss in each region and take decisions to route the VPN traffic accordingly. Now, isn't that a cool feature? So in this way, you have a dashboard to keep track of the region-wise performance of the VPNs, which enables you to take data-driven decisions on the VPN traffic. And did you know that you can inform the status checks of individual VPN device to your customers? Status IQ from Site 24/7 provides customers with detailed information on the current status of the services, including the individual components of a network. You can view the availability status of your VPNs, data centers, or any service by adding them as components. By sharing the status checks, you can build transparency of your customers as well as boost the productivity of your employees. So that's a wrap up about the monitoring solution for VPN. Let's move on to the solution offered for VDI monitoring. So VDI systems in general enhances the portability and flexibility without sacrificing the security. It has emerged as the best alternative platform for companies to allow their employees to work from home. So in order to maximize the performance and efficiency of the VDI, you need to monitor its metrics and gain complete visibility into the VDI infrastructure. So at Site 24/7, we provide monitoring support for AWS Workspaces, the VDI solution from AWS. So Workspaces can be monitored for all its metrics from a single dashboard. You can set threshold profiles that are common across all resources and get alerted on a threshold breach as well. So in case the VDI central server goes down, we provide you with auto-remediate actions like server restarts using simple scripts. So this is a single pane view that you get by integrating Workspaces with Site 24/7. You get to view the total number of connections, the in-session latency, the total local sessions, and the total VDIs that has been connected all in a single dashboard. So that was one VDI solution that we considered, and the next one will be about the VMware infrastructure. Site 24/7 also provides you with end-to-end visibility into your VMware infrastructure. You can troubleshoot problems on the hardware health, avoid resource contention, and set thresholds for individual attributes and many more. So let's check out how to manage your data store space requirements. So in this chart, the first quadrant gives you the data store storage view according to the space occupied. The second quadrant gives you a forecast of the data store space metrics in the near future. The third quadrant has the criticality based on the read-write rates, followed by the top VMs by space occupied in the fourth quadrant. So in this way, you obtain a holistic view of each of the metrics powering your VDI and set thresholds to be alerted when a value breach occurs. So that is a wrap up on the VDI solutions that we offer, that is the VMware monitoring and AWS Workspaces monitoring. We have had two work from home essentials covered, that is the VPN and VDI usage. And now another crucial aspect to consider for a seamless work from home experience is the network performance. So challenges in network performance can vary from different organizations, but the top challenges remain as in calculating the DNS lookup time of internal networks, uptime of IP cameras, network traffic, and the performance of the TCP/IP ports. So let's start with understanding how to monitor the DNS lookup time of internal networks. So on-premise Polar by Site 24/7 is the solution we provide to monitor the DNS lookup time. Well, what is that? On-premise Polar is a lightweight, stateless, auto-updating software component that can be deployed in your internal networks to monitor your mission-critical resources along with internet-facing websites. In order to monitor the DNS lookup time for your internal networks, you will have to add an on-premise Polar to the network. This will be added to the monitoring locations list, and you can get started with monitoring. Additionally, you can also monitor your resources behind a firewall or a VPN. So you do not have to open the inbound ports in your firewall, making the on-premise Polar firewall friendly. In addition, you can monitor the availability of your network components in different branch offices from internal or external networks and track the employee experience. So all you need to do is install the different on-premise Polars on each network and get started. Besides, you need to install the Polar only once in a network and start tracking them from different geographical locations that are complementary to Site 24/7. You can also track the uptime of your servers in an agentless fashion by installing the on-premise Polar. When we were discussing VPN monitoring, I had discussed about the VPN plugin and the 250 plugins that we offer. Well, did you know that using these plugins, you can even monitor your IP cameras, CMS, BPA, or even mission critical ERP systems that your infrastructure supports? In this way, you can keep an eye on your entire application stack with plugins from Site 24/7 and monitor them in a single pane of glass. But then, what if you don't find the plugin of your choice? We provide you with custom plugins using Python, Shell, Nagios, PowerShell, DB, DLL, or Batch. This way, you can monitor any application in your stack remotely. So another important question for businesses working remotely will be how to monitor the network traffic or the bandwidth of remote workers. In order to achieve this, keeping an eye on your network performance is essential. So key parameters that we monitor at Site 24/7 for a network include tracking your ports, bandwidth, traffic, and the packets exchanged. We also ensure that your resources in the network are accessible by performing ICMP ping checks at a frequency that you set. Well, if you want to instant alerts on connectivity issues, high traffic, hardware failures, you simply need to configure your SNMP traps. Another unique feature that comes with our network monitoring solution is the network topology map. A network topology map lets you create topology maps and view your network hierarchy along with status and connection. Well, aren't you interested in seeing this topology map in the client? Let me show you that. You need to navigate to the top, which has the topology map. I'm selecting a topology that has been created for this webinar purpose. So in the top right corner, you have this edit option here. And in the left pane, you have the different devices, 10,000 plus devices that we support here at Site 24/7. You simply need to drag and drop them at different locations. And form a connection. So in this way, you have a network topology of your choice. And if you want, you can also change the background here. And you're done. Done customizing. And that's your topology map that you have, which you can monitor efficiently. So we have a bonus tip for you today on port monitoring as well. At Site 24/7, we have an exclusive port monitoring solution in our toolkit that ensures the availability and performance of your TCP/IP modes or VPN ports from different locations at a frequency you choose. So with port monitoring, you can stay alerted in case of downtimes or if there's a content mismatch in response. So this way, you can ensure the VPN ports are accessible for your remote employees and ace the digital end user experience. So we have now covered two work from home essentials, that is the VPN VDI usage and tracking the network performance. Let's move on to the third and interesting aspect of monitoring the collaboration tools. So now that the teams are spread across the globe farther than ever before, it becomes crucial to have an efficient collaboration tool to keep the teams connected. Let's check out the challenges that you may have encountered while using the collaboration tools like Zoom or GitHub. Well, as a technical lead, you may require the team's build cycle statistics like the number of merge requests, the number of commits, the number of issues raised in the platforms like Jira or Bitbucket. Or as a sysadmin, you would require the statistics on the Skype conference, Zoom meeting issues, or simply the health and availability of your Office 365. Now, how can you combat these simple day-to-day challenges? Wouldn't it be easier if someone can keep a tab on these statistics? At Site 24/7, we help you to track the usage and collaborate efficiently. We provide monitoring support for the collaboration tools like Jira, Bitbucket, Confluence, Slack, GitHub, Skype, Office 365, Zoom, and GitHub. Now you can track the Exchange Online server and the Office 365 suite completely, ensuring that you obtain the health performance reports to be delivered directly to your inbox. Now, let me show you our exclusive Zoom monitoring dashboard that we have. So Zoom monitoring lets you drill down into each of the Zoom conference meeting or even the Zoom room statistics and ensure that the employees have a positive user experience while they attend business meetings and webinars online. So allow me to show the Zoom dashboard in our client. You need to navigate to the app logs section here. The Zoom type, the log type must be Zoom events. On clicking the dashboard, we have the Zoom events for you here. So isn't that a colorful dashboard that we have here? Here you can see the meeting issues, the webinar issues, as well as the room alerts. So in case of a meeting issue and you need to be alerted for a call reconnection problem, you simply need to configure the log according to that, and we will send you alerts whenever there is a call reconnection problem. So the other statistics that we have are the average meeting duration, average webinar duration, the webinars over time, the meeting types, whether it was an instant meeting, recurring meeting with no fixed schedules, the scheduled meeting, or a recurring meeting with a fixed schedule. We also have meeting actions like meeting created, meeting deleted, or the meeting updated. And we also have the top host section, which provides you with the unique host ID and the count who has initiated the highest number of sessions for Zoom. And also the missing camera section, which will give you the camera that has not been turned on for a particular meeting. So now you can view the online meetings by tracking the Zoom monitoring and providing you a glitch-free with around-the-clock monitoring. So with the remote work being the norm, more and more development teams rush to the public clouds as an immediate resort. Moreover, when teams are working remotely, keeping an eye on the cloud cost is challenging. The IDC 2020 report states that the worldwide cloud IT infrastructure market forecast by deployment type 2018-2024, the cloud market is expected to boom. Well, this is a good news as well as a bad news. One, the world is finally accepting the crucial roles that the cloud can play in the business. Two, the pressing challenge is that are the businesses ready to combat these growing needs of the cloud? Few challenges like tracking the cloud cost, budgets for overspending, cloud cost accountability, cost reporting, etc. are yet to be addressed by businesses. With Site 24/7 Cloud Spend, we have an in-house cloud cost management tool for you to gain insight into your AWS bills. So with Cloud Spend, you get a slice and dice reporting of your AWS cost across multiple accounts from a single console. You can now view the budgeting page here. So Cloud Spend allows you to allocate budgets for each account or project and get alerted on an overspending. You can view the current spend here, the budget allocated, and the difference between the two in order to monitor the overspending and keep you alerted on that. So as we near the end of the session, let's take a quick look at the key takeaway from this webinar. When it comes to work from home, ensuring a seamless digital experience is crucial to make work from home work for your employees. It includes monitoring the infrastructure like monitoring the VPN, VDI, the network performance, and tracking the usage of collaboration tools and optimizing your cloud spending. So now that we have completed the deep dive into the Site 24/7's remote IT monitoring toolkit, let's take a quick look at the complete monitoring list that we imposed. As a full stack solution, Site 24/7 also provides you with other options to monitor different parts of your infrastructure. The AI-powered monitoring at Site 24/7 offers you an anomaly detection and forecasting that helps in identifying the unusual spikes or variations in critical metrics. Site 24/7's forecasting engine enables you to predict the future points of a performance metric based on the historical observation. In fact, you obtain notifications on anomalies via email, SMS, voice call, and instant messaging. A list of third-party integrations that we have integrated with Site 24/7 is shown here. These integrations make your conversations easier, like Jira, OpsGenie, Slack, Amazon Edenbridge, Microsoft Teams, ConnectWise, and Zapier, and even the Manage Engine products like SDP MSP, SDP On Demand, ServiceNow, etc. So Site 24/7 lets you stay connected from anywhere and anytime. We provide you with connectivity on the go by making our apps available in iPhone, Android, mobile web, and desktop. If you wish to contact us for more details, you can email us at support@site247.com or sales@site247.com. You can also call us using one of these toll-free numbers. So thank you all for your time.